Hello and welcome to part 3 of this Swedish vocabulary lesson reading comprehension video series we're doing here on Live Love Line. So for part 3, if you're following along at home, we're starting on page 57 of this particular edition of Charlie and the Chocolate Factory in Swedish, which is Kalle och chokladfabriken. Mirakler. Kalle gick in i affären och la den smutsiga 5-kronan på disken. En bonkas fluffiga drömkolaskum, sa han och mindes hur mycket han hade tyckt om sin födelsedagschoklad. Mannen bakom disken såg fet och välmående ut. Han hade stora läppar, runda kinder och en så tjock hals att fettet vällde ut över kragen på skjortan i en gummiring. Han vände sig om och tog en chokladkaka bakom sig. Sedan vände han sig om igen och gav den till Kalle. Kalle slet den till sig, rev snabbt av pappret och tog sig en enorm bit. Sedan tog han en till och en till. Åh, vilken känsla att kunna proppa munnen full med stora bitar av något så gott och fast. Den rena, oförfalskade glädjen av att kunna fylla sin mun med mättande fast föda. Du ser ut som att du behövde den där grabben, sa affärsinnehavaren snällt. Kalle nickade med kinderna putande av choklad. Mannen la Kalles växel på disken. Ta det lugnt, sa han. Du får ont i magen om du sväljer ner utan att tugga. So, let's get into the nitty-gritty of the words. The first one being miraklet, which is the definitive form of mirakel, which means miracle. You probably guessed that one already. So that means something, absolutely fantastical, unbelievable taking place. For example, jag har aldrig sett ett mirakel.
Mirakel?
I've never seen a miracle. Word number 2. Affär. Affär. That means store. And you put a noun in front of affär and you can have any kind of store you want, really. So you could say mataffär, which means grocery store. But also, if you just say affären, then people just take it to mean like a supermarket or a grocery store. This morning I went to the store. I morse gick jag till affären. So the next word is one of those really Swedish ones that I think I might actually have a bit of trouble explaining in English if there's not a direct translation. And that word is välmående. If I translate it literally, it means well-feeling, as in feeling well, as in healthy. The next word is proppa munnen full. Proppa munnen full, which literally translates to stuff your mouth full of. So for example, in the case of this story, Charlie stuffs his mouth full of chocolate. Kalle proppar munnen full med choklad. Kalle proppar munnen full med choklad. And for the next word, which is one of those nouns that has multiple uses in Swedish. And that word is växel. Växel, because in the context of the story, it means change, as in when you pay for something, the money that gets handed back to you by the cashier. That kind of change. But växel can also mean gear, like in a gearbox of a car. Now, here's a pretty good phrase if you want to sound natural in your Swedish, which is ont i magen, and it literally means stomachache. I have a stomachache. Jag har ont i magen. And you can also, if you want, have some fun with it and just replace magen, which means the stomach, with any other part of the body that is hurting you at the moment, and just say ont i huvudet, for example. Jag har ont i huvudet. I have a headache. So on. Just have fun with it. Experiment. Try it out. and let me know what you think about having various body parts hurting you all the time. That's probably fun. Although, if you're fat and more than that, you won't have that. So, there's something for you to aim for. That was it for this part. Stick around for a couple more. Subscribe to the channel and watch the rest.